Gili on the liveaboard, and today we are going to have 3 dives, and now I'm getting ready for the first dive, which is going to be check dive. And looks like we are going to go to a dive site where there's a cleaning station for the mantas. So let's hope for the best and let's go see mantas.
Now we'll be split between me and this man here, Ali, okay? So now, more or less, even for you, me, I'm sitting myself on that side of the boat, okay? The front bench. So those of you that will be diving with me will sit to my side. And of course, those that are diving with Ali will sit on the front side, on the opposite. With Ali, there will be for sure Cecilia and Kim. You are, no? With Ali, then there will be Ladino, Ivan, Galina, and your name is? Roman, okay? You guys are with him. Who is Miss now that I didn't call? Okay, you guys will be joining this group. So it's 8-8 if I'm not wrong. Anyway, we'll split 8. This is for the first dive because we don't know yet your air consumption, we don't know nitrox or normal air. So for this first dive, this is how we are going to split. After this dive, we will see whether we are going to change anything. So in this dive, guys, we don't know yet your air consumption and details. So please, we will ask you how much air after 20-25 minutes. But let us know when you reach 100 bar and 50 bar, okay? So when you have 50 bar, then we will go for the safety stop, 3 minutes in 5 meters. Okay, you're clear? Any question? No.
Check dive was at Gili Lankanfushi, which is the manta point. The top reef is 8 to 10 meters and it slopes down gently to 25 to 30 meters, which is the bottom. In this place, you can find the regular fish life. But for us, the main objective of this dive was to meet the mantas. During this dive site, we had outgoing current, which meant we had the chance to see mantas in the cleaning station. Mantas will stay on top of big coral blocks and very small cleaner fish will do their job. We jumped on the western side of the reef and we went slowly down with the reef on our right shoulder. I know that when divers meet mantas, they get so excited, but please remember to keep your distance from them and be careful that your bubble don't go above the cleaning station and never go on top of the cleaning station. With that in mind, enjoy your diving with mantas.